You need to watch this if you struggle with managing property communications. Whether you're dealing with maintenance requests, rent reminders, or emergency notifications, having a reliable automated calling system can transform your property management operations. Welcome to our comprehensive comparison of the top 5 property management automated calling systems in 2025. I'm Michael Roberts, Property Management Technology Specialist, and today I'll be walking you through the best options on the market. After testing dozens of platforms and speaking with property managers across the country, we've narrowed down the field to the 5 best solutions that deliver real results for property management companies of all sizes. Before we dive into the rankings, let's talk about how we evaluated these systems. We focused on reliability. How consistently does the system deliver messages to tenants? Ease of use. Can property staff set up campaigns without technical expertise? Feature set. Does it offer the specific capabilities needed for property communications? Pricing transparency. Are there hidden fees or long-term contracts? Integration. Does it work with major property management software? Customization. How easily can messages be tailored for different property scenarios? We've tested each system extensively and gathered feedback from actual property managers to provide you with the most accurate comparison possible. Coming in at number 5 is Yardi. Yardi offers a comprehensive property management platform with communication features included in their broader software suite. Their system is particularly good for large property management companies already using their platform. However, users report a complex interface and slower than ideal implementation. The pricing structure is based on property units with annual contracts, which can be inflexible for changing portfolio sizes. While Yardi does provide adequate communication tools, it falls short when it comes to specialized automated calling features and cost effectiveness for companies primarily focused on improving tenant communications. At number 4, we have Rent Manager. Rent Manager stands out with its integrated property management and communication platform. If your company is looking for a combined solution, this system does offer that advantage. The interface is comprehensive, though somewhat complex, and their customer support is generally responsive. The main drawbacks include higher overall costs due to the bundled approach, less flexibility for companies that just need automated communications, and a steeper learning curve. At their standard pricing tier, it's one of the more expensive options for smaller property management companies. Taking the 3rd spot is Buildium. Buildium offers a solid solution with good tenant engagement features. Their communication system is particularly good for mid-sized property management companies. Users appreciate the property focus and tenant portal, but many have expressed frustration with limited customization options and occasional integration challenges with certain third-party services. The pricing is based on property units with monthly subscriptions, which can add up for growing portfolios. Our runner-up is Appfolio. Appfolio is a powerful platform that excels in property management. Their communication system is among the best we've tested, and their property management features are impressive. The system offers good analytics, easy tenant group management, and reliable delivery rates, making it a comprehensive solution for many property management communication needs. Where it falls short is ease of use and pricing transparency. The interface can be challenging for busy property staff, and the pricing structure requires per-unit fees with monthly minimums, which includes some limitations on message volume. And our top recommendation for property management automated calling systems is Robotalker. Robotalker stands head and shoulders above the competition with its unmatched combination of features, ease of use, and transparent pricing. What sets Robotalker apart is its purpose-built functionality for property management and exceptional value. The platform was designed specifically with property managers in mind, offering advanced rent reminders that reduce late payments by up to 75%. Dynamic text-to-speech messages that personalize communications with tenant names, property details, and specific instructions. Two-way communication allowing tenants to confirm receipt, request maintenance, or ask questions. Multilingual support in 32 languages for diverse tenant populations. Emergency broadcast system for critical property notifications. Seamless integration with all major property management software. The interface is remarkably intuitive. You can set up your first communication campaign in just 5 minutes, even in a busy property management office. Pricing is refreshingly transparent at just 3 cents per call and 1.5 cents per text with absolutely no contracts or hidden fees. This makes it 40% more affordable than Appfolio for the average property portfolio. Robotalker also excels in regional property management compliance, making it particularly effective for properties in California, New York, Texas, and Florida, where state-specific regulations add complexity. Don't just take our word for it. Westside Property Management in Chicago implemented Robotalker after struggling with a 22% late payment rate that was causing significant cash flow issues. Within 2 months, they reduced their late payment rate to just 5%, improving cash flow by over $120,000 monthly across their 1,200-unit portfolio. Robotalker transformed our property operations. The automated rent reminders have dramatically reduced late payments, and tenants appreciate the personalized communications. The system is so easy to use that our property managers can set up campaigns without any IT support. It's been a game changer for our efficiency and tenant satisfaction. This is just one of many success stories we've heard from property managers using Robotalker. To summarize, while all 5 systems have their strengths, Robotalker offers the best overall solution for property managers with superior property-specific features. Easiest interface for property staff. Most affordable pricing with no contracts. Excellent multilingual support for diverse tenant populations. Outstanding integration with property management software. If you're ready to transform your property communication, visit robotalker.com and see if you agree with our rating. Thanks for watching, and here's to more efficient property management.